Self-awareness requires understanding both and then choosing which path you want to go through. I'm a big fan of going all in on your strengths and don't give a fuck about what you suck at. I worry that people don't tap into their strengths. You have to audit who you actually are, because then you're not going to bullshit yourself. You're going to storytell yourself, you're going to motivate yourself, but you're not going to bullshit.
So I come back to the truck, and there's a bird in my truck. We're gonna try to get him out. Come on out of there, boy. Come on out of there. Get on out of here, boy. Get on out of here, boy. Go. There you go. He gone. Crisis averted.